In this video, I'm going to show you how you can do spatial selection in QGIS. First, understand what is spatial selection. Spatial selection means simply selecting the features that you are seeing in this data. And the way that you select these features are different. There are different kind of methods to select these features, and today I'm going to show you how you can select such features using multiple attribute conditions particularly. So why we need to select these features? That's the main theme here. We need to select these features, a particular kind of features, because while you are doing a project and you need a particular area of study, and to make that particular area of study, only to take that portion of study area, you need to remove all others unwanted features and only select what you require. That's why special selection is needed, and it is a very popular and very common GIS operation. So without delay, I'm going to show you how you can do special selection here. So I'm going to show this. First, you need to load this save file data which I had loaded previously. So for this, now go to, okay, just click here, right click here, open attribute table, and once the attribute table is open, you need to go here, select features using an expression. So click here. Now what you need to take here, note here is, so I wanted to make that map for Rupendehi 2. So what I'm going to do is, in this Rupendehi 2 consists of this three municipality, metropolitan city one is, and and they have got different kind of wards, 1 to 4 of this, and you can see here. So what I need to do here is, I need this kind of ward, 1 to 4 of this Sainamina municipality, and 1 to 6 of this Tilotama, and 1 to 3 of Butul. So there are different kind of so multiple conditions have to be used here. So let's see here. Okay, first we are going to go on here, click on this fields and values, click here Palika, double click this Palika, and you click this equal to, and write in string. Okay, you need to write in string, so I am giving this course, and its name is, first I want to go here. I had already made this, but for to explain you, I am writing this. Okay, first I'm going to go for Butul. Okay, Palika equal to Butul. Palika equal to Butul. Okay, Palika equal to, I want to select only Palika Butul first, only Butul, and in Butul also there are different wards. So if you will write only this and press this select features, then your Butul with all, I think probably there are 19 wards, all 19 wards are going to be selected. So but I don't want all those 19 wards, I want only from this smaller than 13. So what I'm going to do is, and again go here, ward, double left click this ward. So I want ward which is smaller than equal to 13. That means the ward from 1 to 13, all wards will be selected, only they will be selected, else nothing will be selected. Okay, if you will do only this, and let's see here, this press the select features. Okay, now you can go here and see all wards are selected here, 1 to 13. Okay, that's good, but this is not enough, because I don't want only this, I want the wards of this Sainamina municipality Palika and this Tilatama. So what I'm going to do is, here again go here. So the main thing here I forgot to mention here is, you need to check the spelling of Palika, because Palika, for this Butal. Okay, here Butal is here. Okay, here is Butal. Okay, its spelling is not so confusing, so that you won't make any kind of mistake. But now, if you are doing for Tilotama, scroll this, simply press here and scroll this, drag it from this mouse, left click. If you are doing for Tilotama, then what will happen here? Look at here, spelling. Many people might be confused in this spelling, Tillotama. So make sure that thing, and even I have done mistake here. Okay, and similarly check for Sinamina. Okay, okay, this is done, and now simply go here, and if you go here, the thing that you have done already, it will be erased out. So the worst thing will be to here, simply copy and paste here. So where we were here, I'm simply copying this and pasting here. Okay, three, rest of the two parts. Okay, so to combine them, I'm going to simply press, I'm going to type here or. What or only or. Okay, what this or will do is that it will combine other rest of the two parts as well. Okay, now what I want, likewise what you can do here is I am simply copying and pasting here. Okay, okay, now look at here, this is one entity, that of Boodle and word is smaller than 13, and this is one another entity, different kind of entity, and this all will combine them both. So now if we'll select this, now take care here one thing, word is smaller than equal to 4. Yeah, we wanted the word which is smaller than equal to 4, because there are only words of this Sinamina from 1 to 4, 1 to 4, so we are giving it from smaller than 4, means 1 to 4. Okay, okay, and now this, don't forget to close this bracket, this small bracket, it's very important. Okay, now if you simply go here and press C here, select features, now you can see this Butol area was selected already, and now this Sinamina municipality area from 1 to 4 has also been selected. Now we want to select this Tilutama portion. Now we are again going to go there. Again we are going here, and don't forget to copy this thing, and we are here, so we go here, simply paste. Okay, and now again I'm going to here or, because this or will again combine another entity, and another one is this Paliga. Okay, I'm going to close its bracket as well. So, and another thing here is, so this Tilotama spelling is correct here, and word will be selected which is smaller than 6, and we wanted the same here. Word of Tilotama is from 1 to 6, so smaller than 6 means 1 to 6 will be selected, and Palika is Tilotama. Okay, now once everything is done here, and select features, okay, now you can see here this Tilotama area has also been selected. So you need to make sure of that thing, which is the Palika that you want to select. Suppose this is the main concept in this video is, first you need to be sure what is your area of interest. For me it was Palika and word was my two main thing that I was looking for. This Palika means of I wanted for this Tilotama, I wanted for Butol and Sinamina and other things. So first check the spelling. Once the spelling is alright and your area of interest is clearly defined, then you go to this select features and simply do the things that I have shown you. So everything is done. So these are the words for election constituency Rupendahi number 2. So now later I can simply click here, right click here, export and save selected features. These are the selected, the yellow portion that you are seeing here are the selected features. So I'm going to click here, and format easily or what you want you can do accordingly. And file name, simply go here. So I want to do here output. I'm simply writing here one. Okay, save. And the format I'll be using here will be 44 not. Okay, okay. Now my data has been exported. So this is the Rupandahi election constituency number 2 that I was looking for. And later on you can dissolve all these words and combine them and also prepare the map. Okay, thank you viewers for watching this video. We will meet soon in upcoming videos. Thank you.